Hi guys, hope you're doing well. I'm also doing fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are new here, my good name is Agnes. I'm a Kenyan content creator based in Murang'a, and thank you so much for showing me your support. I really appreciate you guys. Hope you enjoyed your Christmas holidays, and Happy New Year 2024. I thank God, me and you, God gave us this chance to see this year. We don't take it for granted. We thank God for everything. So thank you guys. Thanks for being here. Thanks for supporting my content. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always watching my videos. So guys, today I'm going to show you it's a living room makeover, although not really living room. We'll also consider kitchen curtains, dining area curtains, and also we'll also add wall hanging and some plants. So enjoy this video, guys. I had a client who needed a house makeover, and of course she contacted me through my Instagram page, which is Agnes Murugi01. As I told you, I'm a business lady, so we had a deal with her. So I was making her some curtains, and of course plants and wall hanging. In short, it was a makeover. If you really watch my videos and follow my video, there was a certain video that I did of empty house tour, which was a mansion. So I was making the curtains for that house, and this was them. So please guys, make sure you watch the full video, and let's do this together. So let's do this. So here I was preparing the plants. Of course, you can see the wall hanging, the small plants, the stud vase of the plant, and of course we have one big plant. It makes it to look more beautiful. I had this small plant. Now this is the before the makeover. Because the house was empty. And this is the after. Guys, if you need me to come and do a house makeover in your place, please don't mind to DM me on my Instagram page. And of course, we'll do it at a budget which is favorable and affordable. Yeah. Oh, look at that house. I will end this video at this particular point. Thanks for watching the full video. I really appreciate you so much. Remember to like, comment, share, and also remember to subscribe. See you on the next video.